Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to travel back in time. No, not in a time machine, but with grammar. We're talking about the past simple tense. It's one of the most common tenses in English, and by the end of this video, you'll be using it like a pro. So, what is the past simple? We use it to talk about actions that started and finished at a specific time in the past. Think of it like a completed story. For example, I walked to the park yesterday. The action of walking is completely done. It happened yesterday. Simple, right? Now, how do we form it? For most verbs, it's super easy. You just add tid to the end. So walk becomes walked, play becomes played, and watch becomes watched. For example, she watched a movie last night, or we played football on Saturday. See? You just add that ed and you're in the past. But wait, English loves to keep us on our toes. We also have irregular verbs. These guys don't follow the ed rule. They have their own special past tense forms that you just have to learn. For example, the past of go isn't goed. It's went, the past of eat is ate, and the past of see is saw. So you would say, I went to the store. He ate a big breakfast, and they saw their friends. It might seem tricky, but with a little practice, you'll remember them in no time. What about questions and negatives? For these, we need a special helper, the verb did. For negative sentences, we use did not or the contraction didn't, plus the base form of the verb, not the past form. So you'd say, I didn't walk to the park, or she didn't watch a movie. Notice we use walk and watch, not walked or watched. The did already tells us we're in the past. For questions, we put did at the beginning of the sentence. For instance, did you walk to the park? Or did she watch a movie? The answer would be a simple, yes, I did, or no, she didn't. And that's the past simple in a nutshell. It's all about completed actions in the past. Regular verbs get ed. Irregular verbs have special forms, and we use did for questions and negatives. Start practicing today. Try writing a few sentences in the comments about what you did yesterday. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more grammar tips. See you in the next video.